What's the difference between a chiropractic massage and a chiropractic adjustment? And how do we determine which to do? The exam makes the determination. The chiropractic adjustment primarily works on the nervous system, and the massage works on the circulatory system. So they're both important. The brain and spinal cord is the first organ to form in the body. The heart and the circulatory system is the second organ to form. So the nervous system is the most important to have functioning properly, and the circulatory is a second one. The more sedentary your lifestyle, the more you need massage, because you don't get as much movement, and the lymph and the blood vessels need movement to work properly. So having a massage therapist to move things for you when you can't move as well is a good thing.